just like that, bang. B is so easy now. So
Okay.
that was a good example. Again,
Nay, 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 nay.
repeat.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. That's it. This is a C and you're like hitting it.
That was C.
Yeah, you're repeating it.
That's interesting. I always felt like those are really like straining notes. That did not feel like it was straining really.
Yeah.
So,
If your voice cracks and breaks every time you sing higher, this is probably the reason why. Now, most singers, when they first encounter this, think that the answer is about fixing the breath support or breathing or controlling the airflow better. And whilst that can definitely help, I found for many of my students, the answer often lies elsewhere. It's about learning to coordinate the muscles that control our vocal folds in our throat. They're the ones that help them change pitch, thin out, and the ones that bring them together and create like a nice clean buzz for us throughout our range. And when you can learn how to do this, all of a sudden going through your range, especially the high parts, starts to become a lot easier and starts to make more sense. So let me show you in today's video exactly how we fix it. Let's just start off with mouth closed. Pretty good. Nice. A little bit more. Close. Nice. Yeah, so you see that little kind of graveliness?
Yeah.
That's doing a bit too much. So that's too much for
Okay.
like it's kind of gripping in a way that's not needed. So that's not
Right.
just adding buzz anymore. That's like clamping on something else. Very common what you're experiencing. As long as you
Okay.
know like that's not it. So when you kind of get to those kind of places, it's not like, oh, let me kind of force my way into more closure. It's going to be easier than you think. Kind of like how you have it
Okay.
a bit lower. Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. But super common because you've gone from this place where like there's not much engagement. So it's like there wasn't really much buzz to begin with.
Yeah.
As we try to find more this middle spot, we can kind of overshoot and grip onto other things that aren't needed. So that's why I kind of shared that like it's about a bit of a balancing act, not just like more buzz.
Yeah.
So let's kind of address that. Let's try this right. Intentionally allow it to go light right now. Right, so we're going to come back to that mouth close and just focus on getting to the pitch clean, even if it kind of goes like kind of gets softer. Even if it kind of gets a little bit softer, just let it get to the note first.
Okay.
Yeah, nice. Keep the pattern. Good. Yeah, can you get that more precise, those taps?
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be so loud, it just needs to be more precise. Yeah, so if I open my mouth, it's kind of the sound. So it's not really heavy, but it just needs to be more versus Yeah, so that has more the precision. You got the help of the G, but that's the precision I'm looking for. Good. Yeah, so it's not as precise there. Yeah, notice how it starts and finishes. There's no like dragging on of the note. Yes, there.
Okay.
these are better. Okay, so we can build from there. The reason why we do that soft one right now is notice how like it's so easy to go up and down your range. There's no
Yeah.
like something suddenly breaks or like kind of the sound kind of cuts off. It just kind of works.
Yeah.
So in a sense, you're trying to layer these two things together. So we have this easy kind of pitch change, which is this happening. And then we want to simultaneously do it with the buzz or like a bit more of that healthy kind of closure. But they both kind of have to coexist. So it's not like we kind of hit this wall, like the voice kind of clamps like some of the earlier reps. But it's also not like here entirely where it's like just super light. We do need to kind of have a bit of both. So you can kind of start from both ends each day, which is number one, can I just maintain good buzz? Or
Okay.
can I get easy pitch change and then layer on buzz on top of that, if that makes sense. So let's try this right now. What if you go, nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, getting a bit more buzzy on the nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Closer, yeah.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, so this is more precise and there's more buzz. So you can kind of feel like when you go up, you kind of feel the stretch and then you can add something to it, right? Is that how it feels like to you
Right.
or?
Yeah, no, I did feel like a little extra something or other too at that last one.
Good, good,
Whatever we
good.
want to call it, the
Nice.
sparkle or something.
A little sparkle.
Yes.
I love that. But yeah, so that's an example of like you're finding clean stretch and then you actually add clean solid closure on top of that. Next one.
Nay, 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 nay.
Good, a little bit more buzz, but that was pretty solid.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, good. That was clean closure. Try not to sacrifice the top at the first half. The first half, let it fully get to the note, even if it's lighter than you think, but it needs to needs to like fully get up to the note. That'll be even better.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. Can you add a bit more buzz to that feeling on the nay?
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, good. Just the second half. The first one don't need to. Yep. Because I want it to be fully on pitch.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, can you get the buzz on that feeling? Yeah. It's tricky.
Nay, 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 nay.
Closer.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, cool. You can add a bit more buzz even to the first one, as long
Okay.
as it actually fully gets to the note. Because if it doesn't, and then you try to connect there or try to add more buzz, it's kind of like already slightly under the pitch. So it's a bit harder
Sure.
to kind of like get up there. So if it's easy for you to add a bit more buzz to begin with, it doesn't have to be super light, but it just needs to be fully on pitch. But the benefit of that is like, you don't have to add a lot of buzz to get to the sound that you want. You only need to add a little bit if you already started with a bit more. So, nay, 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 nay.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, that's good position. You got to the note. Can we add a bit more buzz there?
I did.
You got it.
Nay, 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 nay.
Closer. Can you add more?
Nay, 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 nay.
Yes. Nice. Well done. So this is already higher than what we've got. So today we got up to around the C and then it started to break
Okay.
on us.
Okay.
Just
yeah.
now that was the C sharp and you're able to get a bit more
Alright.
buzz and you're able to kind of stay on pitch as well. How does this feel to you? Like, and how's the momentum here? Is this a bit too quick or is this a good speed for you?
Oh no, this is great. This is really great.
Awesome. How does it feel so far?
Good. I mean, I can kind of feel that little electricity, the buzz, whatever. When,
The
I mean,
sparkle.
you usually confirm it because you nod. I'm like, I feel something in my head too, which is the sparkle, the buzz, the
Sparkle
resonance.
and the buzz. The resonance, yeah. And you can actually keep leaning in more and more into that feeling. As long as it's just like as easy, because right now does it feel hard or effortful too?
When it gets higher, well,
Yeah.
I just feel like I'm using a lot of mental energy. Not necessarily that the technique is hard. It's just okay. Remember the buzz. Remember
Yes.
keeping on it. Don't close it. Like just all these things.
All
I'm
these
sure that
things,
becomes
yeah.
more natural. Yeah.
Yeah,
Once
it
you
does.
practiced it a lot.
Yeah. What
But
about in
right
terms
now,
of like labor or like in the throat? Like, does it feel like
oh
you're
no,
prepping for daily
that
life?
little no, the soft ascending helps position things so that it's not straining, I think.
Mm.
Um,
Yep.
that's a tendency I have when I sing is definitely like when I'm performing or whatever with the band
Yep.
is if it gets too high, I either like, you know, amp up the volume or just like kind of strain like this
Yep.
when it gets high. And I feel like these exercises, I wasn't doing that. And this is definitely higher. I think the highest song that I have probably is a B flat
A B flat.
right
Yeah.
now. But I
Yeah.
mean, if I can go higher, then it accesses more things. So that'd be great.
Exactly. Yeah. Even better. So this
Yeah.
is a good way to kind of work through things. Once you do that, we want to come back to the original idea, which is if we can go nay 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 nay, can we then go nay 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 nay? Can we get back to it bottom up, right?
Hmm.
And use that to kind of basically going back to step one, but now a bit higher. So
Okay.
let's actually give that a try. Nay, 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 nay. Once you get that clean, nay, 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 nay. Just see him go back up, bottom up.
Okay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay,
Yeah,
nay.
just like that. Bang. B is so easy now.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay,
She's
nay,
surprised.
nay, nay. Right, I was like, oh, I gotta do that. Sorry. Brain, too many things.
Yeah, yeah, all good. I'll guide you.
Okay.
See that again.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, close. So that's a good example. They're close, but not exactly the same. Way down was like bang on. It's like perfect. Way up kind of slips a little bit.
Right. Nay, 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 nay.
Closer.
Nay, 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 nay.
Slipped on the way up. Way down is great.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, can you hit the top down like you did the one before? The one before was so clean.
Nay, nay,
Yeah.
nay, 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 nay.
Yeah. So this is going to be probably the main part of the work for this next week.
Okay.
Once you can find it really clean top down, immediately, okay, can I reverse that motion? Here, you kind of think of it as percentages. Right now, you're getting that top down one like 70 to 80% of the time. That can kind of slowly refine to like 90, 100, right? The way up is more around like that 30, 40% mark, which is like it kind of slips a little bit. Like it loses a little bit of buzz or like there's a little bit of a hitch that when it comes back up. It doesn't have to. And because you've technically proven it to yourself. Way down is so smooth, everything's so clean and sealed. So we're just trying to reverse that. Let's do this, right? Do it twice, top down. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Then go bottom up afterwards. So then like you kind of have like two good ones and then one that where you kind of shoot your shot.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yes, that one.
Nay, 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 nay. Why do I do it the same way? I don't understand. So
Welcome
weird.
to singing technique. This is just how it is.
Oh, is it always worse going up than coming down? Like it just baffles me. Like why
No,
is it
it's,
like
it's
that?
not. It's not always. It depends on the singer. For me, it is
Okay.
similar. Like bottom up is a bit harder, but everyone just has like places which works better and places that don't work as well. But what's good is you have a place that works well. It's better than
Yeah.
like someone who doesn't have any kind of reference. So you kind of
Sure.
just have to sit here and be a bit patient. Like like kind of sort things out, right? But you just keep back and forth, back and forth.
Nay, 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 nay.
Nice.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay,
Yeah,
nay.
there.
All
Better.
right, that was closer, right?
Yeah, it's way closer, way closer. And to give you like an insight, usually the fix you're looking for, say bottom up wasn't as clean, it's always going to be something simpler than you think.
Okay.
Like because you've already done it in one context, so
Uh-huh.
the gap or the thing that you're trying to solve is simpler. Sometimes it's just like, oh, does it feel as smooth? And that's more than enough to solve it.
Uh-huh. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, pretty good. That top down can get a bit more buzz, just like the ones below.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah,
Nay, 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 nay,
yeah, that's
nay.
pretty good. Coming down.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay,
Yeah,
nay.
get a bit more buzz before you go bottom up.
Nay, 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 nay. Nay, nay, nay,
Yeah, try it
nay.
again. It could be a bit cleaner.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, 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 nay,
Yeah,
nay.
pretty good.
Okay. Nay, 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 nay.
Clean.
Nay, nay, nay,
Yes.
nay. Nay, 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 nay.
Very close.
I could feel it, yeah. Just a second.
Yep, take your time. Those top downs are bang on. They're like so clean. So clean. Let's throw you one more challenge. And this one we can kind of build here, which is nay, 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 nay. So get it clean once, top down. If it's clean, immediately go nay, 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 nay. Then go back and repeat it. And here it's kind of asking your voice, okay, can I just maintain that coordination for a bit longer? So you, as you can imagine in the song, when you have to like repeat, you have to sustain those kind of things.
Yeah.
This kind of builds you towards it.
Wait a second. What am I doing? I'm going up and then I
Nay,
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 nay.
nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, get a bit more buzz.
Nay, nay, nay,
A
nay.
little bit more.
Nay, 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 nay.
Repeat.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, closer.
Nay, 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 nay.
That was actually pretty good. Try it again.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yes.
Nay, 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 nay,
Yeah, good.
nay.
That's actually exactly what I meant. So you know how like once you
Oh,
find
start
it,
at the top.
yeah, you go
Gotcha.
immediately to that coordination.
Uh-huh.
So
Okay.
that was a good example. Again,
Nay, 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 nay.
repeat.
Nay, 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 nay.
Yeah, nice. That's it. It's just trying to hit the iron whilst it's hot.
Uh-huh.
So once you
Yeah.
can find that coordination and you're like, oh wow, this feels really good, immediately like, okay, can I challenge, stay there a little bit longer? And it's just giving our brain a signal that, oh, this is the direction I want the voice to coordinate. But
Right.
yeah, this is the C. This is the C, and you're like hitting it.
That was C.
Yeah, you're repeating it, and you could probably take it to C sharp D, but it's less kind of like what notes you're hitting right now. It's more like, can you get to that approach? Generally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's interesting. I always felt like those are really like straining notes. That did not feel like it was straining really.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's it.